Hi, I'm Kindla. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to set up temperature compensation and resistivity in ultra-pure water for a Stratos Multi. To begin, I have an ultra-pure water sensor, and I'm going to take on the Stratos Multi into the menu, and we're going to scroll over to parameter setting, and we're going to go into administrator level. Your default passcode for this is going to be 1989 on a Stratos Multi. And then once you're in here, we're going to need to set up the sensor selection so that the transmitter can actually see the probe. Sensor selection 1 and 2, and then here we're going to go into sensor selection 1. This might be on or off for you, but for example, if we're using an ultra pure water sensor, I'm going to go from off. I'm specifically going to select conductivity. And if you have an inductive conductivity probe, you would select that. But here we have normal conductivity probe. Once you select that, make sure Memosens is selected for mode, and then in functionality, ensure that you have a 2 electrode sensor selected if you're using a 2 electrode, and a 4 if you're using a 4. Once you've selected this sensor selection, you can attach the probe, and you should get a notification on your screen saying it's been connected. It'll show you the model, serial number, everything you need to see. Next, if we want to configure the temperature compensation, we go into Memosens Cond, TC process medium, temperature compensation, and then here you can decide what type of temperature compensation you would like to apply. For most cases in ultra pure water, we see a lot of NaCl traces, so that's what I'm going to select here. Now, finally, if we're trying to display readings, we have to go into General in the parameter settings menu, so the base menu, measurement display. And here, this might be off for you, but the numbers is going to be how many values you want to display and how many channels you want to pull that from. I'm just going to do 2 values from 1 channel. We're going to select Memosens Cond as the channel. And then here you can decide what all values you want to pull. In this case, we're trying to highlight resistivity, so I'm going to do resistivity as my first value, and then temperature is my second. Now that you've configured both your resistivity and your temperature compensation, you can return back to the main menu and you can see your readings. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.